The mass harvesting and production of millions of mangoes is completely transforming the availability of this beloved fruit, making it more accessible and abundant than ever before. But did you know how complex the process is from growing a mango tree to having that delicious fruit on your table? Behind every mango lies a meticulous series of steps, modern technology, and the careful attention of farmers, all contributing to a high-quality product that is not only tasty but also nutritious. The process of growing mangoes begins in the spring, when farmers plant new trees under ideal conditions for growth. But to ensure the trees stand firm against strong winds, many farmers, like John, use steel wire to protect the trees. These wires help the trees stay upright, preventing them from falling over and ensuring the fruit stays on the tree. Mango trees take about 2 to 3 years to grow and bear fruit. Imagine, it takes seasons of growth for the trees to finally produce fruit, but the real journey begins when the mangoes ripen, plump, and ready for harvest. During the flowering season, the mango trees bloom, and in about 105 days, the fruit is ready for harvest. Farmers begin picking the mangoes in the peaceful early mornings, gently plucking them from shorter trees by hand to avoid damaging them, and ensuring the mangoes remain intact. For taller trees, long poles with nets are used to collect the mangoes from above, preventing them from falling or getting damaged. Once picked, the mangoes are placed in baskets and transferred to the processing area, where any small remaining stems are carefully trimmed, making sure each fruit is perfect before moving on to the next step. But the process doesn't end with harvesting. Once the mangoes enter the sorting machine, they undergo a meticulous check to ensure only the highest quality fruit continues along the process. Any unripe or damaged mangoes are immediately discarded. After sorting, the mangoes are moved to a washing machine, where high-pressure water cleans off any dirt and debris, ensuring the mangoes are clean and ready for the next stage. However, the most fascinating part of the process comes during the heat treatment phase. After washing, the mangoes are briefly immersed in hot water to eliminate an enzyme called polyphenol oxidase, an invisible enemy that can cause discoloration and spoil the mango's flavor. Thanks to this treatment, the vibrant color and natural sweetness of the mangoes are preserved, making them taste as fresh as ever. But it doesn't stop there. After these steps, the mangoes are coated with a protective layer to keep them fresh during transportation and storage. They are then packed into sturdy boxes, ready to be shipped to markets worldwide. The most exciting part, however, is that the highest quality mangoes are selected for juice production. These mangoes go through a rigorous process to turn them into fresh, delicious mango juice, offering consumers a refreshing and healthy beverage. The journey of a mango from when it's planted to when it reaches consumers is a long and careful process. Each step, from nurturing the tree, harvesting, sorting, to processing, is done with utmost precision to deliver a perfect product. The next time you enjoy a sweet mango or sip on fresh mango juice, you are experiencing the blend of traditional farming and modern technology, bringing wonderful flavors and abundant variety to our everyday food. In addition to the vast consumption of mangoes within local markets, a significant portion of these delicious fruits is also exported to many countries around the globe. This booming export contributes substantially to the growth of the international market, making the sweet and juicy mango more accessible to people everywhere. However, the journey from mango orchards to supermarket shelves is far more intricate and fascinating than most people realize. Let's take a deep dive into the complete process behind the production of mangoes and how modern agriculture, technology, and manufacturing work together to provide us with this tropical delight all year round. After the mangoes are harvested, they undergo a carefully planned series of steps that ensure they reach consumers in the best possible form. The first stage is heat treatment, an essential process that helps ensure the fruit is safe for consumption and that it retains its vibrant color and signature flavor. Once the mangoes have been treated, the next stage is peeling, deseeding, and crushing. This part of the process is handled by state-of-the-art equipment designed for precision and maximum efficiency. The advanced machinery used, including high-performance mango crushers, can achieve up to 99.5% efficiency in extracting the pulp from each mango. This high level of efficiency ensures that most of the mango pulp is recovered, minimizing waste while maximizing productivity. This high degree of efficiency is a game changer for the mango industry. Not only does it significantly increase the yield, but it also plays a key role in enhancing the economic feasibility of mango juice production. It is fascinating to realize that the pulp extraction process is so fine-tuned that it ensures that almost every drop of mango goodness is captured. This also reduces the environmental impact, as it limits the amount of waste produced during the manufacturing process. At the processing facility, skilled workers use special knives with adjustable blades to peel the mangoes. The key here is that the workers carefully adjust the blade thickness based on the unique shape of each mango, ensuring minimal loss of flesh. This attention to detail during the peeling process ensures that the mangoes are handled gently and that the best part of the fruit is preserved. After peeling, the mango flesh is carefully separated from the hard seed with the help of precision slicers. These slicers ensure that the process is not only efficient but also accurate, guaranteeing that no valuable mango flesh goes to waste. Once the mango flesh has been separated, it is washed in a special bubble washer that helps remove any lingering dust or debris. This washing process involves a mild detergent mixed with a small amount of water to create bubbles using air pressure. The bubbles lift off any tiny particles, including dust, hair, or small bits of dirt, ensuring that the mango flesh is clean and free from any unwanted contaminants. After the washing process, the mangoes are allowed to drain naturally, which helps maintain their delicate texture. From there, the mango flesh is moved to a degassing machine. This machine is designed to remove oxygen from the mango flesh, preventing oxidation, which could lead to discoloration or loss of flavor. This degassing process is vital in protecting the juice, ensuring that the final product maintains its bright color and fresh, sweet flavor for longer periods. It's one of the most important steps in extending the shelf life of mango juice and other mango-based products. Next up is the homogenization process. The mango flesh is first manually crushed to reduce any large pieces before being fed into a homogenizer, which smooths it out and creates a uniform texture. This homogenization process ensures that the mango juice produced is rich, creamy, and well blended. The uniform texture is crucial in producing the best quality mango juice, giving it the signature smoothness and consistency that consumers love. Once the homogenization process is complete, the mango juice is ready to be bottled. The bottling process is highly automated and efficient. Bottles are prepared in batches and move in a continuous circular motion towards the filling valve. Gravity helps ensure that the juice fills the bottle to the perfect level, and once it reaches that point, the bottle is lowered, and the filling process is complete. After the bottles are filled, they are transferred to a capping machine, which tightens the caps securely to prevent any leakage or contamination. This capping process is crucial for maintaining the freshness and safety of the juice during transportation and storage. From the careful farming methods to the sophisticated processing technologies, the entire journey of mangoes is a true testament to the hard work, innovation, and attention to detail that goes into bringing this beloved fruit to consumers all around the world. Whether it's the refreshing juice, the canned fruit, or the frozen slices, each product represents the dedication of farmers, workers, and manufacturers to ensure that every mango reaches its fullest potential before it lands on your table. So, the next time you bite into a juicy mango or sip a cold glass of mango juice, take a moment to appreciate the incredible process that made it all possible.